At Matco Tools, we're never satisfied with the status quo, and good enough is never good enough for us. That's why we went back to the drawing board and rebuilt the new MaximusFix tablet scan tool from the ground up. The all-new interface is faster, easier, and more user-friendly than ever before. You can still quickly and effectively get a vehicle's full health report in seconds. But MaximusFix's new MaximusFix function now bridges the gap between diagnosis and repair with full procedures, wiring diagrams, technical service bulletins, and more to aid you in finding the fix faster. And with Tech2 Tech Remote Diagnostics, you can rely on the expertise of another technician to remotely log in and help make the fix for you, even from thousands of miles away. On top of that, MaximusFix offers dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth dual mode for a faster and more dynamic work experience with an open Android platform that allows you to browse the internet and download other apps. Plus, MaximusFix is drop-tested, dust-proof, and water-resistant to IP65 specifications. And there's also a kickstand. But the best part about the all-new MaximusFix? All that power, speed, and efficiency is available at a portion of the cost of the competition. Stop settling for less while paying more. Contact your distributor today and ask for the all-new MaximusFix tablet scan tool.